Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Before we proceed, let's start first with a quick disclaimer that this is not a financial advice. Always do your own research before investing into anything. Do not invest money you cannot afford to lose, as cryptocurrency is highly volatile and risky. So without further ado, let's move on to the video. Okay, so as you can see here guys, I have here the MEXC Golden Era Showdown Gold Bar and BTC giveaway with 10 million USDT to give away. This event ends in 18 days, so you just have to register guys. So if you want to register, just click this button right here and you will be directed to our sign-in website. You can sign in either Google, Apple account, Telegram, or you can just sign in onto our direct website, okay? So once you sign in, there will be 20 USDT given for free. So don't miss out on that guys. So okay, let me just scroll it down. So we have here guys the previous Golden Era Showdown winners, which is the final prize pool unlocked at 4 million USDT with participants over 200k, winners over 20k. So you have a 10% chance to win guys, and then average rewards with 168 USDT and top individual reward with 350k USDT. So these are just some of the pictures. Okay, alright. Okay, so for participants and prizes, we have here as of the moment 76,000 registered users, and the total prize pool would be 2 million USDT guys. So how to participate? This event period will last on November 27 of 2025 up to December 17, 2025. So lucky draw period will begin on 11/27, which is November 27, 2025 up to December 18 of 2025. So to be eligible guys, you just have once the event begins, users from all countries or regions can register and participate. So for our daily prizes, you can win up to 2025 USDT. So earn one scratch off for every 50,000 USDT traded daily, capped at 5 scratch offs per daily. Alright, so here you can win that prizes right here. So weekly surprises win up to 5,000 USDT guys. For every accumulated weekly trading volume of 2 million USDT, you will receive one lucky draw chance with a maximum of 5 chances per week. So the remaining prize pool this week guys is 111k with 500 USDT, 51 to 100 USDT, 25 to 50 USDT, and so much more guys. You can just spin the wheel right here. And then for our ultimate grand prize, this is the gold bar and BTC giveaway. From every 10 million USDT accumulated in trading volume during the event period, you will receive one sequentially generated 5 lucky digit lottery ticket with no limit on the number of tickets. Gold bar and BTC will be awarded to winning ticket numbers. So here is the rules guys, and you can just visit our website so that you can read this all for your further assistance. So alright. For the ultimate grand prizes, we have 2,000 gold bar valued at 300,000 USDT guys. So for our elite prizes, it is to be unlocked, and for our expert prizes, it will also be to be unlocked. So for our winning code of ultimate grand prize, it will reveal on 20 days, within 20 days guys. So you just have to catch up and always check our website for further updates. So BTC block hash decides any ticket could win. So even though you have just one ticket or 1,000 tickets, anyone has a chance to win guys. So the winning lottery will be the last 5 digits of the first Bitcoin block hash after 2025 December 17 8 p.m. UTC plus 8 guys, ensuring complete fairness and transparency. Assume the first Bitcoin block hash after of the 17th of December at 8 p.m. is as follows. So you can just read it here guys. So the lottery code for the ultimate grand prize is 31128. So yeah, these are the frequently asked questions. If you want to see here, just visit our website guys. It will be linked on the description or the comment section down below. So If you want to register, guys, just click it right here, and then you can have to register on our website, guys, with the use of Google, Apple account, and Telegram account. So what are you waiting for, guys? This is your chance to win 2 million USDT prize and even win 20 USDT for free just by signing out, guys. So don't miss out on that.